Brother MFC-J6545DW in K-Vestment Tank Color, Best Ink Saver. The second best inkjet printer for sublimation is the Brother MFC-J6545DW in K-Vestment Tank Color. It is reliable and long-lasting. It will save you from buying extra ink supplies because it has 1-year ink cartridges inside it. This printer is simple in sublimation and requires minimal effort, so it is a perfect fit for those who like to keep things easy and simple. In this affordable choice, you will find straightforward driver installation, programming, and other functions. It provides high-quality service with multiple functions. You can print faxes after you receive them. You can also sublimate pictures, scan, and print designs. This printer is specialized in printing or designing on both sides of the paper sheets. It can create difficult graphics or images utilizing its duplex printing. It works on a wireless system easily without asking too much from you. You will be able to connect it to Alexa. It has ink cartridges that can work for a year, which helps you to save a huge amount of ink. Basically, it can work in any type of climate, but it may have a problem. It has a loose and ill-fitting paper tray.